Hey guys, in today's video I'll be talking to you about what live chat is, why it's important, and how you can utilize it in your live agent dashboard. So what is live chat? So live chat is an amazing tool that businesses can utilize to chat in real time with their website visitors. So what this means is that if someone is browsing your website and has a question about a certain product or pricing, or they can't find something on your website, they can just click this chat button that's over here on your website and they can get their questions answered almost immediately, or in a much shorter time than they would if they sent an email or were trying to call you, and so on and so forth. So why is it important? It's important because customers that are already talking to you on live chat are 35% more likely to purchase from you than if they did not contact you on live chat. So you know that they're already interested and they just need that little confirmation, a little answer from you. And if you do give them that pleasant customer experience, if you're knowledgeable and quick, and you give them a personalized answer, they're going to buy. And so it's important because basically the faster you reply and you give them this experience, the faster you're going to convert that website visitor into an actual customer. And you don't want to be giving up on that. You don't want them to go to the competition. So this is how you can utilize live chat. And I'll be showing you how it works within Live Agent and how flexible and customizable it is. So what you want to do is you want to go into your Live Agent dashboard and you want to go into settings. And once you're in settings, you want to click chat and then chat buttons. And here's how you can create a new chat button. This is all the chat buttons that we already have. So you can see it says if they're displayed or not displayed. This one is displayed. This is the cool button. It's the one that's over here on the site. But this is how you make a new button. There's a bunch of templates that you have given already. Here's the most popular ones. Then you have some that are in a bubble style, side style, corner style, etc. So whichever one you choose, it's very customizable based on either color or text or whatever you have that you want to do. So right now I'll actually just be using this button to show you how it works. But I just want to show you that also the buttons that you already have, they're not set in stone. You can always edit them. You can change the name, you can change to which department the ticket that comes from this chat will go to. You can change the color. So as you can see, it's changing over here a little bit. The same thing you can do to the chat window. This gives you a preview of what it will look like, and again you can change the colors to whatever you like, and you can preview and test it and save it or not save it, whatever you want to do. There's also pre-chat forms that you can enable. So before, if someone clicks your live chat button, before they can start chatting with you, they do have to provide their name and email address and send a message, and that's going to trigger the chat within your Live Agent dashboard. There's also offline buttons. So this is basically if it's after your business hours, but somebody wants to contact you, this will come in the form of a ticket into your Live Agent dashboard. So now I'll be showing you how it works in real time. And all I have to do is click over here. Here's the pre-chat form. It has my name, email address, and I'm going to say, hello, I have a question. And I'm going to send that. And as you can see, it says calling on a representative. It already popped up right here in my notifications. I'm not sure if you can see that. I think that's where my camera is. But if I go right over here, it says incoming chat from Sonia. And I'm going to click answer. And it already has my pre-chat form right here. So it has my name, my email address, and it has my first piece of text that I wrote, which was, hello, I have a question. And so now I can start answering. Hello, how can I help you? And send. And as you can see, it pops up right over here. And a very cool feature that we have here at Live Agent is the all-seeing mode. So let's say my order number is HH whatever number, and I need, and so as you can see, I'm still typing and I'm not pressing send, but it's already showing up here in my Live Agent dashboard. So if I'm dealing with this customer and they're saying, hey, my order number is blah blah blah, I can start looking it up while they're still typing to me about what the problem is, and I can kind of get ahead of the game and provide this amazing customer experience because I can be knowledgeable about their problem without them having to tell me much, and I can answer very quickly. So if I hit send, again, it's going to pop up, and so on and so forth. So this is also great because once you finish chatting with a customer, you can also enable some feedback forms so they can give you basically feedback on how you did, and you can continue this communication with the customers or the website visitors even after they leave. You can follow up with them through different kind of media because you have their details and so on and so forth. So this is why it's very important. It'll help you convert website visitors into customers. It's going to increase ROI, and it's going to increase customer service satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful.